Alright guys, check this out. Bam, right? I looked it up, and everyone says this elbow piece, I couldn't find this fucking elbow piece anywhere. Alright, I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to hear it, but it said bank 1, so I know it's on one side. Right? I don't know if you guys can hear the hissing. It's coming from over here somewhere, right? It's coming from over here somewhere. So I was feeling around, trying to get... Oh. And then I fucking heard the sound change. I was like, okay. Oh, you hear that? So, take the cover off. There's this guy right here. Comes off into 3 ways, 3 hoses. The one that shoots out underneath this doodad has an elbow. That's the elbow that's busted.